Welcome to Dunsborough. Today is Sunday and I was going to take it easy. I was going to have, to be honest, a very lazy day. I was going to watch some series, maybe do laundry, have a shower and mentally prepare for the fact that tomorrow is Monday and I have to go back to work, right? But then my friend arrived. She spent the winter in Exmouth. I was so jelly all winter long, like she was having the time of her life while I was freezing my butt off in the southwest. And you can guess only once where am I going to be spending next winter, eh? But yeah, she's also a marine wildlife enthusiast like me, but actually she's probably having it even worse. And so she was like, "Oh, isn't it the blue whale season right now?" And I'm like, "Blue whales? Where?" And she says, "Oh, just here of Cape Naturaliste." And I'm like, "Oh, where's that? Is it somewhere by Bremer Bay?" And she goes like, "No, it's actually right around the corner. It's not that far at all." And I'm like, "Holy smokes." So yeah, guess where I'm going now. I'm really hoping to see some blue whales. I have seen them from the aeroplane before in New Zealand, but I have never recorded them with my drone. So let's hope for the best. And I just stopped here by the beach and toilets, and I'm gonna make my morning smoothie because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna continue. It's only 15 minutes away from here. Somebody asked me yesterday, "How do you eat that many bananas before they go bad?" This is how. Besides, it's also very convenient to take a banana when you are driving a truck. I wouldn't want to peel oranges or wash an apple. I had a little bit of milk left, but it's yogurt now. But thankfully we have more. I stopped at the supermarket here because I was hoping maybe being far away from everything they could still have some organic cacao powder. But no, even here it's sold out, so I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of this little leftover that I have left. I'm a little bit snobbish and I don't want to be buying Coca-Cola. And of course, peanut butter must not be missing. Yummy, 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 I have smoothie in my tummy. A little bit heavy on the cacao and I should be saving it. Sorry guys. Okay, I'm going to brush my teeth and then we continue. Do you think it's hot? Ew. Oh. No mirror. There's my Mitzi waiting. Isn't she beautiful? I love her. I got the TikTok famous banana clip, so I'm trying it on here because I knew it's gonna be too windy to have loose hair.
Und weißt, der Lighthouse ist wie ein Weg dort, siehst du?
I made 2 new friends there. Turns out a drone is a great chick magnet. And they said it's way too hot, let's go to Meelup Beach for a swim. And so we went.
I said it's actually really nice snorkel around there.
Ah, maybe I should bring a snorkel. Okay, I don't know what happened to the audio in this clip, but I was telling you how awesome it was and how I was 90 meters above the whales. The legal limit is 60, so I was way above that, and I still couldn't fit the blue whale into a frame. That's how huge the whales are. And I was now here in a car park by a beach about to make my lunch. I had some potatoes from yesterday. I hope they are still good and I don't get the and I'm going to make some salad. And one of the girls I just befriended there also spends her winters in Exmouth on the Ningaloo Reef, so it looks like next winter we are just all going to meet there. The world is so small. I just love this. I have peeled my potatoes. I'm gonna add some cucumbers, salt, can of corn. My pot is too small. And it's not even all in it yet. Avocado has to go. And some garlic aioli. That's my lunch. Good luck getting down. Come on, I want some potato. It's good.
Connected.
Guess who just got a speeding ticket? $200, but nothing is going to ruin my mood today. Today was epic. I love it. It wasn't even my fault, to be honest. I mean, everyone says that, right? But there was a black car taking over, and then he kind of changed his mind, and he was just hovering there next to me. I was like, what the hell is this creep? Like, is he checking me out, or what is he doing? That's... Ooh. So I sped up to get away from him. And then I saw the cops and I was like, oh, okay, that makes sense now. So we both got a ticket. I'm now in front of a shower to get the sunscreen out of my hair. Unfortunately, some other camper just got in there before me. I hope he's not gonna use all the warm water. Yeah, you guys have some weird obsession with my showering. Just because I do not have a shower in the van doesn't mean that I am not clean, okay? One of the girls today helped me to put sunscreen on my back, and I suppose I should say thank you. This is a horrible light. What time is it? It's a bit too early to go to my sleeping spot, so I will watch one episode of Stranger Things here, and then I will move to my sleeping spot and watch one more, and then I will go to sleep. Thank you for spending the day with me. It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.